These are 2 10-shelf plant stands made out of carbonized eucalyptus wood. The eucalyptus wood is treated to make it waterproof, and it goes together super easy. As you can see, my plants absolutely adore it, but the instructions are super simple, and it comes with everything you need to install it, including this mallet. And the pieces go together just like the picture, and I didn't have any questions when I put it together. It comes with a bag of spares just in case one of them accidentally breaks. As we know, that can happen, but all of this was perfectly packaged and I didn't have any breakage, and there's no water damage on these, and I often overwater. I had 2 that I needed to fill up this window, and the specifications on the listing were absolutely perfect. Fits my space perfectly, takes up this whole window, provides a significant amount of privacy from the street without blocking any light from coming in.